What's up, comic creators? To use stickers within your CapCut project, the first thing that you'll do is in the top left-hand corner, you will see a stickers icon. And when you move your mouse up to click on that stickers icon, that will show you all the various stickers and moving animations and all different things that come built into the CapCut software. It's very extensive, it's very impressive, and it's really simple to use. And so from there, you can scroll through and select whichever sticker you're wanting to add to your project. If you actually click on the sticker, it will give you a short preview of what that sticker looks like in your project through your preview window, so you can actually see kind of what it's going to look like initially before you make any edits to it. And you just simply click and drag into the timeline wherever it is that you're wanting to place it. From there, you'll actually see these little square boxes pop up around the icon within your project preview, and you can utilize those boxes to edit and change the sticker to fit whatever shape you want it to be. You can actually change the size by grabbing the corners and dragging it, or you can actually click right in the center of the box itself and move it around the project window and place it wherever it is you want to place it. So for this record thing, I'm putting it up in the corner to make it look like it's an actual camera. And in the timeline itself, you're able to increase the duration of how long the sticker's on your screen by grabbing the sides with your mouse clicker and dragging it across your timeline. This will increase the amount of time the sticker is actually present in your project, and you can stretch it all the way out to be up there through your entire project if that's what you desire. Another thing you're able to do with the stickers is when you select the actual sticker in your timeline, in the top right hand side, you'll see above the menu options a tab called animations, and when you click on that, it will give you options to add various types of movements and special animation that you can make the sticker do within your project if that's something you're looking to do, such as a special kind of fade ins and fade outs and various different things there. You can kind of explore and take a look at what it is you're trying to accomplish with that. Same basic principle as before. At the bottom of that tab, or at the bottom of that menu, there is a duration bar. So if you increase that bar, it will increase the amount of time it takes for that animation to take place. If you decrease it, it'll decrease the amount of time it takes for the animation to take place. So just be aware of that, because it could add some cool effects to the stickers as you're adding them to your project. And the last thing that I'm going to show you is layering your stickers. So CapCut actually allows you to do multiple layers to your project for any kind of animation or overlays and stickers. And so back in the left-hand side of your screen, where the menu was for all the stickers that you can add into your project, under the stickers tab, you can select other stickers that you want to add in and layer on top. So in this one, I'm going to add probably this, random battery thing just to kind of show you. So drag it into the project like before and just throw it right above the other sticker. And now I've got two stickers that I can layer on top of each other to add some more cool effects into the image of our project. Same basic principle. You can stretch it out as much as you want. You can add animations and the whole nine with this feature. Alright guys, that's pretty much everything you need to get started working with stickers within CapCut. If you have any questions or comments, please do take the time to comment below. It helps the channel out when you do that. Like and subscribe. All those things really help our channel. And yeah, hope this helps. I'll see you soon.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, comic creators. End transmission.